These are learning theories from Instructional Technology 370 by Michelle Moore. The first is constructivism, which is a paradigm or worldview that states that learning is an active and constructive process. The learner is an information constructor who actively constructs their own subjective representations of objective reality. New information is linked to prior knowledge, meaning that mental representations are subjective. Learners continuously test their hypotheses through social negotiations. Because every individual has different interpretations and constructions of this knowledge process, every person's experiences lead to different beliefs. Second is cognitive load theory, a theory that discusses the load of working memory during instruction. There are three different types of cognitive load. The first is extraneous cognitive load, the idea that all instruction has to be inherent difficulty associated with it. This difficulty may not be altered by an instructor. The second is intrinsic cognitive load, is the control of instructional designers, generated by the manner in which the information is presented to the learners. Germane cognitive load, which is the effective cognitive load, is dedicated to the processing, construction, and automation of schemas. Instructors can manipulate extraneous germane load, whereas extraneous load is immutable. The last is cognitive theory of media theory. It's based on three main assumptions. One, that there are two separate channels for processing information, auditory and visual. Two, that there is a limited channel capacity for any human being. And three, that learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information. States that humans learn more deeply from words and pictures than from words alone. People can only process a finite amount of information in a channel at one time, and they sense incoming information by actively creating a mental representation.